No, Betty, that's wrong. Let me show you again. You use this control to get your focus, you see? All right, and this one here in the right-hand corner to lock the sweep.
Once you start some things, you just can't stop. And drugs are like that too. You pick it up and it's hard to drop. And drugs are like that too. Like a baby going through a phase, and like a player playing in a daze. Yeah, you break a rule and drugs are like that too. I know, no, drugs are like that.
How come you know so much? About what? About drugs and stuff. Oh, give me that. Did you ever have any crack? You do it all the time. I could stop any time I wanted to. Why don't you then? Because. Dum bum ba dum bum 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 dum ba bum bum. Wonder why you gotta have that. What? That crack. Give me that. I need that piece. Didn't she tell you they make you act funny? Who? What? Drugs, marijuana, stuff like that. Didn't she tell you that it makes you act funny? Sure she did. What'd she tell you? She said...
He must really have been hooked on drugs.